Hey guys, welcome back to Small Tutorial channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to reset Google Chrome to default setting on Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First we go the settings here. You can click the settings. Click on. You scroll down until you find apps. Click on the apps and you can click the manage app. Search about the Chrome and you click data. Clear data here. Manage space. Clear all data. Okay. Yes, once again you can click clear data, manage space, and you can see the free up space here and manage is null byte. Okay, go back. After that you can also clear data and clear change. After that you can click clear change, click OK here, and done. Okay, go back to the Google Chrome application, can click on and done. This is the to reset Google Chrome is to default, is accepted. You can click accept and continue. You can choose the an account, and yes, I'm in. Okay, this is a tutorial how to reset Google Chrome to default settings on Android. I hope this video is useful for you and thank you.